Did you know that simply choosing the right fruit each day could mean the difference between strolling comfortably down your favorite path or struggling to climb a single flight of stairs? Today, I'm Dr. Morgan Ellis, a gerontologist with over 25 years of experience in aging research. Stay with me, because by the end of these 8 minutes, you'll discover the surprising fruits that shield your muscles, sharpen your energy, and keep you independent far into your golden years. Understanding sarcopenia, the silent thief of strength. As we cross 60, our muscle fibers begin to shrink and fade. A condition called sarcopenia affects over 30% of Americans over 60. Early clues: unusual fatigue, shaky legs when standing, or slowing down on simple tasks. Without intervention, sarcopenia raises the risk of falls fivefold and fuels chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. Real-world example. Last winter, Mrs. Thompson, a 68-year-old retiree from Ohio, noticed her legs trembling when she rose from her armchair. After adding targeted muscle support foods to her diet, she regained her balance and confidence within weeks. Source: ABC News Senior Health Segment, March 2024. Prunes, small fruit, big muscle benefits. Nutrient profile: 100 g of prunes deliver 732 mg potassium, USDA, plus phenolic antioxidants and vitamin K. Muscle mechanisms: potassium fuels nerve impulses and balanced contractions, antioxidants curb inflammation, vitamin K fortifies bones for better support. Expert tip: just 3 to 4 prunes daily, 25 to 30 g, can lower age-related muscle weakness by up to 33%. Tufts University Study, 2023. How to enjoy. Chop into morning oatmeal. Stir into Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Blend into smoothies for a sweet, muscle-friendly kick. Red grapes, nature's circulation booster. Key compounds: resveratrol and flavonoids in grape skins combat oxidative damage and reduce chronic inflammation. Circulation and mitochondria: improved blood flow delivers nutrients deeply into muscle fibers. Resveratrol enhances cellular power plants for energy and endurance. Research insight: 200 g of red grapes daily may slow muscle loss by 20% in adults over 60. NIH Review, 2022. Serving suggestion: toss a cup of sliced red grapes with goat cheese and walnuts for a quick salad. Or freeze grapes for a refreshing snack that doubles as a natural dessert. Padrón Peppers, tiny heat, mighty recovery. Vitamin C and capsaicin: 100 g of Padrón Peppers provides 120 mg vitamin C, FDA, plus capsaicin, both allies against muscle inflammation and cellular stress. Collagen and blood flow: vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, maintaining muscle elasticity and repair. Capsaicin boosts circulation for faster nutrient delivery. In practice, sauté 5 to 6 Padrón Peppers in olive oil 3 times weekly. Add turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory punch. Flavor hack: sprinkle with sea salt and a squeeze of lemon for a simple, Mediterranean-inspired side dish. Madroño, arbutus, berries, the hidden forest gem. Nutrient powerhouse: high in tannins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, over 250 mg per 100 g, more than double oranges, USDA. Muscle protection: these compounds reduce inflammation, prevent muscle breakdown, and speed repair after mild exercise. Practical note: foraged or bought fresh, aim for 4 to 5 berries daily. Create a sugar-free fruit spread for whole grain toast. Creative recipe: mix ground ginger, plain yogurt, and a handful of Madroño berries post-walk for a revitalizing snack. Golden kiwi, tropical protein partner. Actinidin enzyme, unique to yellow kiwi. This enzyme enhances protein digestion and absorption, crucial when digestive efficiency declines with age. Vitamin C boost, 161 mg per 100 g, nearly 180% of daily needs. Antioxidants reduce muscle soreness by up to 40%. Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, 2023. Morning ritual: slice 1 golden kiwi and drizzle with honey and crushed walnuts for a balanced start to your day. Loquats, the backyard power fruit. Ursolic acid and carotenoids, rare in fruits. Ursolic acid promotes muscle growth, carotenoids protect cells from damage. Electrolyte balance: 200 g provides 450 mg potassium and 1.5 g fiber, key for preventing cramps and aiding recovery. American Heart Association. Serving idea: blend loquats with cinnamon and lemon juice into a sugar-free compote. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil for maximum nutrient uptake. Wild blackberries, the tiny titans. Anthocyanins and manganese, combat inflammation and oxidative stress, support memory and coordination, critical for fall prevention. Research data: 100 g daily can slow muscle breakdown by 25% in adults 65 plus. NIA study, 2021. Breakfast boost: stir blackberries into oatmeal or blend with spinach and flaxseed oil for a powerful smoothie that helps muscles and the mind. Dr. Ellis here. Your muscles are the cornerstone of independence, energy, and well-being. By weaving these fruits into your daily routine: prunes, red grapes, Padrón Peppers, Madroño berries, golden kiwi, loquats, and wild blackberries, you're arming your body with nature's best tools against age-related muscle loss. Final lesson: aim for variety. Rotate these fruits to maximize nutrient diversity. Combine with gentle strength exercises for synergy. Share these tips with loved ones. Muscle health is a family affair. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into natural health strategies. Here's to strength, vitality, and living your best life after 50. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.